Welcome to the Terror Dome. We're in the room. I'm getting ready for a batch photo day tomorrow. And this right here is a little bit of the unsexy part of reselling. As you can see right here, you guys could see. You guys can see right here, the unsexy part of reselling is me going through the bags of, you could say, death pile. It's pretty much a death pile because all the 50, 60, $40 items have been gone, are gone, already listed, gone, some sold. And what you have left here is, you can say, the 15 to 20, maybe $30 items left. But when you're trying to become a full-time reseller, you're not always going to find the high-valued items all the time. What you have left is, just the basic mall brands. And this is why some people hate clothes. And this is why I probably will continue to do clothes, because there's always clothes to be had. If you don't mind staying up 7 o'clock in the evening in a basement, I said a basement, in an attic, all by yourself in your underwears, going through bag after bag of clothing just to prep them to take photos tomorrow, which I'll probably be taking photos for like another 4 to 5 hours, depending on how much stuff that I have here that's all set and ready to be photographed tomorrow. So there you go. That's what it is. Not so sexy. It's just me up here dolo getting ready. Let me show you some of the things that we have here real quick. I'm gonna put you guys right here real quick. Just like that. Just wait right there. Alright. And it's just basic mall brand. It's like literally mall brand. What do we have here? Because these bags have gone, have been gone through already. Just basic shirts like this. This is a Levi's shirt. Nothing special. Probably get like $15 for it. Dickies shorts. Newer tag. Nothing special. Nothing special here, but it's either you redonate it or list it. The full-time clothes sellers know what I'm talking about. This is actually pretty good. This is a diesel sweater that's just still here. So this one's definitely going to be getting ready for tomorrow. But after that, it's just basic polo shirt. It is basic. But this is what I've been doing for now 3 years. And 1,500 listings later, trying to get up to 3,000. This is what I do. So I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. Hold on a second. Sometimes, because we're now in January. Got sweaters that should have been up in December, but since I took December off, these are probably gonna be here till next year. I mean, they'll be listed. I'm going to list them. But they probably won't be sold till next year. This is the game, my guys. This is the not so glamorous part of reselling. I mean, I love everything about reselling. The adventure aspect, the freedom. But still got to put in work day after day, or you won't make enough to pay your bills. But that's pretty much it. That's what I'm doing. this evening I'm in the what I call the Terror Dome, in the dungeon Dolo, by myself. Get my clothes ready for tomorrow. Alright, if you guys like the content, like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.